Since we were last here, the polling pavilion has opened and the bowling green has opened, and we're going to check out the retirement homes, the miners' welfare homes.
Sitting here.
This is the pantry. Filled to see homemade marmalades and pickles. This is for when most people didn't have fridges. It's now a fashion medicine. We've got something similar to this, which we occasionally use for grinding up large lumps of meat. There's another kitchen with a gas cooker, which looks very much like the cooker that was in the house where I lived as a kid.
Andiamo sulla... No?